In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fade out in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple editing technique, but it makes a big difference in how polished your video feels. A fade out helps your clip end more smoothly instead of stopping abruptly, and it's commonly used at the end of scenes, full videos, or whenever you want a softer transition to black. To get started, go to the Edit tab in DaVinci Resolve. This is where you'll find the main timeline and most of the tools used for arranging clips and adding transitions. Once you're in the Edit tab, look to the top left area of the screen and click on Effects. This will open the Effects panel, where DaVinci Resolve keeps different tools and presets you can apply to your footage. From there, click on Video Transitions inside the Toolbox section. This will show you a list of transitions you can use between clips or at the beginning and end of a clip. The one you want here is called Cross Dissolve. This transition is often used for smooth visual fades, and in this case, it works perfectly for creating a fade out at the end of your video. Now click on Cross Dissolve and drag it to the end of your video clip on the timeline. Be sure to drop it right at the end of the clip, because that's what creates the fade out effect. Once it's applied, you should be able to see the transition on the end of the clip in your timeline. If you want to fine-tune the timing, click the edge of the transition and adjust its starting point. This lets you control how early the fade begins and how long it lasts. A shorter fade can feel quick and subtle, while a longer fade gives a more gradual and cinematic ending, so choose the timing that best fits your project. You also have more options available in the Inspector tab at the top right. Click the transition first, then open the inspector to adjust additional settings. This is useful if you want more precise control over how the fade behaves. And that's it. Once you've placed the cross dissolve at the end of your clip and adjusted it to your liking, you've successfully added a fade out to Butut in DaVinci Resolve.